In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix UI issues and crashes in Firefox 140.0.1. If Mozilla Firefox 140.0.1 is experiencing user interface problems, freezing, or unexpected crashes, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. Problems such as missing buttons, unresponsive menus, graphical glitches, or frequent browser crashes can often be fixed by checking for updates, disabling problematic extensions, or refreshing the browser. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the most effective methods to help get Firefox running smoothly again. To begin, completely close Firefox and then open it again. A simple restart can clear temporary issues that may have developed during your previous browsing session. Once Firefox has restarted, use the browser for a few minutes to see if the interface is responding normally and whether the crashes have stopped. If the issue continues, open the application menu in the upper right corner of Firefox, select Help, and then choose About Firefox. The browser will automatically check for available updates. If a newer update is available, allow Firefox to apply it, then restart the browser when prompted. Keeping Firefox up to date ensures you have the latest bug fixes and stability improvements. Next, determine whether an extension is causing the problem. Open the application menu, select Help, and then choose Troubleshoot mode. Confirm that you want to restart Firefox in this special mode. Troubleshoot mode temporarily disables extensions, themes, and certain custom settings without removing them. Once Firefox opens, test the browser to see if the interface works normally and whether the crashes have stopped. If everything works correctly, restart Firefox normally and disable your extensions one at a time until you identify the one causing the issue. If the problems still occur, you can refresh Firefox to restore its default settings while keeping important personal data such as bookmarks, browsing history, and saved passwords. Open the Help menu, select More Troubleshooting Information, and then choose Refresh Firefox. Confirm the refresh and allow the browser to complete the process before testing it again. You should also make sure your graphics drivers and operating system are fully updated, as outdated system software can sometimes contribute to display glitches and browser instability. After updating your system, restart your computer and test Firefox once more. Finally, if Firefox continues to crash, even after completing these troubleshooting steps, restarting your computer and testing the browser again can help eliminate temporary system-related issues that may be affecting browser performance. That's all there is to it. These methods resolve most user interface issues and crashes in Firefox 140.0.1 and can help restore a stable and responsive browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,